Hello, good morning everyone. Here is the reading tutorial that you can use to help you to read your reading assignment for English and Indonesia. Okay, so let's get started now. Number one, s, I, si, m, eat, meat. See, meat. Number two, b, each, beach. S, eat, sit. Beach, sit. Number three, eat, fit. Eat, teeth. Feet, teeth. Number four, tree. Tree. Number five, green. Green. Anyway, number 6 to number 15, I just read once, okay? So you can replay my video if you want to learn more how to read it, okay? Let's go to number 6. The sea is blue and the water is cold. We sit there alone with 9 dimes. Number 7, the man likes to eat meat and the mule likes to eat the gray stone. Number 8, I sit under the green tree. We were waiting for the same bride at the time. Number 9, he buys a new crayon. I keep them into the hole with the 9 holes and photo. Number 10, her dress is white. I hope they pay it for me and give me 5 of them. Number 11, Dave is late to ride a bike. We forgot to play the trumpet, drum, and flute. Number 12, the rose and rope are in June near the mule. There is also tube there. Number 13, the black crow plays the blue trumpet. It catches a fish after that. Number 14, he smells the sweet snack on the stove. We pay the snack with a phone and gray bag. Number 15, Ralph has lunch before. Before he takes a bath. He also has a thick meal from his friend. Well, that is for English, and now we go to read Bahasa Indonesia. Nomor 1, Nina pakai baju baru. Nina pakai baju baru. Nomor 2, dia pergi ke pesta. Dia pergi ke pesta. Nomor 3, pesta ulang tahun ke-7. Pesta ulang tahun ke-7. Nomor 4, pesta itu sangat ramai. Pesta itu sangat ramai. Nomor 5, Nani merasa bahagia. Nani merasa bahagia. Nomor 6, banyak tamu datang ke rumah. Kursi warna merah heboh diperebutkan. Nomor 7, Wahyu senang ada pesta. Rahma dan Salma juga senang karena pesta itu bagus dan asyik. Nomor 8, Putri punya banyak tamu. Wahyu membawakan bunga dan kucing sebagai opsi untuk hadiah para tamu. Nomor 9, Putra bersyukur punya bola merah dan kuning. Ada juga bola ungu. Khusus disiapkan oleh adik. Nomor 10, Mama beli kue di lapak. Ada kue yang rusak karena dimakan monyet. Dan Mama jadi risau melihatnya. Nomor 11, Ibu potong kerbau pakai pisau. Pisau itu lebar dan ibu bersyukur bisa memotongnya karena tajam. Di sungai ada tupai nyanyi. Tupai itu juga nyanyi di kolam dekat rumah Rahma. Nomor 13, lembu dan domba kecil itu palsu. Untung saja Anda pandai memilih yang bagus dan besar. Tikus menusuk mereka dengan pedang itu. Terakhir nomor 15, becak Sukma hemat tapi rusak. Nyonya sangat ngeri melihatnya di jalan. Okay, so that's all the reading tutorial for this week. Don't forget to read and then send your video to our group so we can check your progress in reading. Okay, thank you for your attention. Bye bye.